Good afternoon, children. In the last class, we had studied importance of sports and types of sports. Today, we will continue with the topic. Open your textbook, page number 48. Next one, adventurous games. Some popular adventurous games are ice skating, skiing, ice hockey, etc. Children, such games require lots of balancing skill. Many other adventurous games are there. They are rock climbing, gliding, auto racing, car and motorbike racing, etc. These are some of other adventurous games. Okay. Now, let us move to next topic, sports competitions. Various types of sports competitions are there. Let us see what are they. They are Olympics, and we know which held once in every 4 years. Asian Games, it is also known as Asiad. Okay, Asian Games playing between different countries of Asian continent. Another competition is Paralympic. Children, Paralympic means this also held once in every 4 years. Paralympic Games means it is a special Olympic for disabled people. Okay, understood? Another important sports competition is Cricket World Cup, which held once in every 4 years, etc. These competitions organized on regular basis. Okay. Now, international competitions for many other sports like hockey, wrestling, chess, etc. also organized worldwide on a large scale. And also we know, children, hockey and cricket become very popular in India, especially in Maharashtra. Cricket is very popular. Hockey is our national game. Competition of these games are organized at local, city, taluka, district, state, national and international level. Okay. Sportsmen who perform well in national and international competitions have good career prospects. There is a special quota for government job for such a cricket persons. They get a job in banking, railway, military, etc. Okay. Now, textbook page number 49. Do you know? A good information is given about Major Dhyan Chand. Let us see that. Major Dhyan Chand, an expert player of hockey, was also the captain of Indian hockey team. Indian hockey team won a gold medal in 1936 at Berlin Olympics under his captaincy before independence in 1936. He was also part of the previous Indian hockey teams in 1922 and 1932, which played at Olympics and won gold medals. Okay. So under his leadership, 3 times we got gold medal in hockey. 29th August, the birth date of Dhyan Chand, is celebrated as the National Sports Day in India. Children, he was also known as the Wizard of Hockey, and the government honored him with the Padma Bhushan in the year 1956. Children, Padma Bhushan means it is the 3rd highest civilian award in our country. Let us move forward. Globalization of sports. The field of sports in the 20th and 21st century was naturally influenced by the process of globalization. Now let us see what are the benefits of globalization. Various international matches can be watched on television in any corner of the world. If it is not possible to go physically everywhere to watch match, so due to globalization, sitting at home, we can watch any international matches in our television. So children, non-participants, the citizens of non-participants country also can enjoy the matches. For example, the World Cup winning match played by Indian cricketers was watched by cricket fans all over the world. Fans watches the matches for entertainment. At the same time, industries and commercial companies to get a good chance to advertise their product during this period. Retired sports person also get an opportunity to participate as commentators in this field. Children, this is one of the professional opportunity in this field. Okay, understood? Children, today we stop here. I hope you understood whatever I explained today. Complete your assignment. Then tomorrow we will continue the topic. Okay.